Namaskar everyone, my name is Padmashri and today on Vichar I am going to address two of your questions. Number one is how to move to Slovenia, and the second question is what is the cost of life here in Slovenia. So the first question, how to move to Slovenia. Movement, physical movement is the same as you would to the next city. You take a car, you take a cycle. Nowadays people do cross-country cycling. You can take an airplane. Those are the ways to move even to Slovenia. It's not a different dimension. If you're asking for bureaucratic information, then you must, and I stress on this, you must consult only the government for this information. Nobody else will be able to inform you better than the entity that is responsible for drawing the borders in the sand. Okay, so go to their websites. We all pay our taxes for them to do this job. I will not be able to do anything on that subject for you. Second is, what is the cost of life? Now, that question is a little bit wrong because life in itself is free. Rain, when she falls, she doesn't ask us for money. The sun, when he rises, he's not asking us for money. The earth, when she's sprouting our food, she's not asking us for money. So life, breathing is absolutely free of charge. What your question is the cost or the price of things. Things are a value exchange between people. Now that depends on which store you want to go to and what things you want to buy. Having said all of this, I have put a link in the description below. She is my favorite YouTuber here from Slovenia. Her name is Barbara Horvath, and she has painstakingly compiled all the prices of things here in Slovenia, from rent to education to transportation to healthcare to pension. She has put all of this together. But bear in mind, this is a very general understanding. It really depends on you as a person. If you are someone like Gandhi with $0, you will make the world go round. If you are somebody who, can't do anything unless you have lots of money, then you will not be able to do it until you have lots of money. Okay, so it depends on what kind of a human being you are. But is living in Slovenia any different than in Bombay or New York or Sydney? No, it's not. Everything that is available to all other earthlings is available over here, absolutely free of charge. Okay, all the experience of a human being over here is also as free as it is in your motherland. Okay, so that's all I'll say on these two subjects, and I strongly recommend my viewers to pay attention to what my content is all about. I am not somebody who is going to encourage you to think in the lines of money. It is a concept which is fairly new. If you are thinking about becoming wealthy, then you must think about the kind of value you will provide to others. The bigger the problem you solve, the more money you will earn. The simpler the life you want to have, the less money you need to run after. Okay, it all depends on the kind of human being that you are. It will not, if I say, okay, you need like XYZ dollars to be able to live in Slovenia, it's not going to be true. Okay, not even by a long shot. It will just be general information, which I do not want you to depend on if you have plans to come and visit this country or live in this country. I would like you to become a little bit more open-minded about travel. I would encourage you to think about travel as an opportunity to learn about the place that we are born in, Mother Earth, the various parts of her body, and the different kinds of cultures that have evolved within her. So this is the kind of information I strive to provide to you. And if there are any questions you have on such subjects, please do not hesitate to leave them in the comments below, and I will do my best to compile the information to the best of my abilities. Okay, but these kinds of questions I don't feel comfortable answering because it will only mislead you, and I want to stress on this. Do not let anybody guide you on these subjects with some number off the top of their head. Okay, so that's all I'll say for today. Please subscribe to our channel if you would like to learn from me what I think about the world and how I live in the world and how I have been traveling across the globe and what I've been doing with my life, so on and so forth. I will be very happy to convey that information to you. So that's about that. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.